Questions and answer for Registered Master Electrician Licensure Examination. Credits to Rolby Calano. Number 1. What kind of light does the fluorescent bulb produce within the bulb itself? Ultraviolet light. 2. Do the filaments stay lit during the operation of a fluorescent bulb? Explain. No. They remain lit only at the start to vaporize the mercury. They are then shut off by the starter. Current is supplied to one contact on each end, thereby sustaining the mercury arc within the tube. 3. Is a fluorescent fixture more efficient than an incandescent fixture? Yes. However, no fixed efficiency can be quoted because it varies with the size of the bulb, the ballast, etc. As a rule of thumb, a 40-watt fluorescent bulb is generally considered to put out about the same amount of light as a 100-watt incandescent bulb. 4. Does room temperature affect the operation of fluorescent lamps? Yes. The normal fluorescent lamp is designed for operation at 50 Fahrenheit or higher. 5. If the operating temperature is expected to be below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, what measures should be taken when using fluorescent lamps? Use special lamps and starters that are designed for lower temperatures. 6. Do fluorescent lamps produce a stroboscopic effect? Explain. Yes. This effect is due to the fact that at 60 Hz the current passes through 120 times a second. 7. How can the strobe effect be compensated for in a two-bulb system? When the power factor is corrected, the capacitor is so connected that at the instant the current in one bulb is passing through zero, the current in the other bulb is not at zero, and the strobe effect goes unnoticed. 8. What is another way to minimize the strobe effect? By using a higher frequency, such as 400 Hz. 9. Does a 400 Hz frequency have any other advantages? Yes. Smaller and lighter ballasts can be used. This makes it feasible to use simple capacitance-type ballast, which produce an overall gain in efficiency. 10. Does frequent starting and stopping of fluorescent lighting affect the bulb life? The life of fluorescent bulbs is affected by starting and stopping. A bulb that is constantly left on will have a much longer life than one that is turned on and off frequently. 11. When lighting an outdoor activity area with large incandescent bulbs, how can the light output of the bulbs be increased? By using bulbs of a lower voltage rating than that of the source of supply. For example, by using a bulb that is rated at 105 volts on a 120-volt supply, the output can be increased by roughly 30%, but the life of the bulb will be cut by about 10%. 12. How is the light output of lamps rated? In lumens. 13. How are light levels rated? In foot candles. 14. What is a foot candle? The amount of direct light emitted by one international candle on a square foot of surface, every part of which is 1 foot away. 15. Is the NEC a law? It is not a law, but it is adopted into laws that are established by governmental agencies. It may be adopted in its entirety, in part, or with amendments. 16. Who has the responsibility for code interpretations? The administrative authority that has jurisdiction over endorsement of the code has the responsibility for making code interpretations. 17. When are rules in the NEC mandatory and when are they advisory? When the word shall is used, the rules are mandatory. 18. According to the NEC, what are voltages? Throughout the code, the voltage considered shall be that at which the circuit operates. This is often expressed as, for example, 600 volts, nominal. 19. When referring to conductors, what material is referred to? Copper, unless otherwise specified. When other materials are to be used, the wire sizes must be changed accordingly. 20. In what manner must the work be executed? All electrical equipment must be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates and videos. Thank you.